Okay, I am super duper excited for this unboxing because I am super surprised by looking at this pairs. So basically these two boxes you see, this is from their premium sneaker lineups and this one is their GR pair. But yes, I was so surprised looking at the sneakers, how good they are, the quality, the everything about them is so good. So let's unbox them and then we'll talk about it. Let's go. So coming to the first sneaker from Lotto, and just have a look at that box, how good it is. Just look at it, like it feels like a premium sneaker, man. Like it just feels good. And I just want to share the unboxing experience with you guys because that is how they come in. Like just look at this. So now you have to remove this. So here you have the Lotto branding as well on the dust bag, and then inside it you have the sneakers here. So now let me just unbox everything, unwrap everything, and then I'll show the sneakers. So this is Lotto Autograph OG 2, a full white premium leather upper sneaker with the Lotto branding in gold on the tongue, on the back heel, and gold embossed autograph panel on the lateral area of the heel as well. You also get that brand logo on the side panels in that same exact leather. And trust me guys, in hand this sneaker is too good. I was so amazed by it and I was not expecting that, but it just blew my mind. And overall I loved the silhouette of the sneaker. I loved how minimal they have kept it and how elegantly they have branded the sneaker as well. Like the gold hints here and there, it just takes the sneaker one notch up, and that is what I loved about it. And now talking about the comfort on the sneaker, it is really good. You can wear this sneaker all day long for college or office because this is a very versatile pair. You can wear this sneaker with 99% of your outfits. Like any outfit you choose from your wardrobe, this sneaker is going with it, and this will really stand out. Even though it's a white pair, but it is a very clean, minimal, elegant, classy white pair, and I loved it. And talking about the sizing on this pair, this fits true to size. I am a UK 8 guy. This is a UK 8 sneaker and fits me very well. And the best part about this sneaker, all of this, the great quality, great looks, great style, great silhouette, great comfort, all of this comes at a very low price, that is 4,999 rupees. And trust me, I was blown away with it. Like this sneaker at this price point, it is amazing. By the way, I have tagged this sneaker from Myntra, and Myntra has some great sales going on, so you can get this sneaker at a cheaper price as well. Like that will benefit you. It is a great sneaker, check it out definitely. Now let's unbox the second pair from Lotto, and I'm super excited for this because this was the first sneaker I had loved from Lotto, and I'm super excited to see how it is. I have not opened it yet. I just opened it like this, but again you can see how it is wrapped. So let's go. I am super duper excited. Why did I close the box again? Let's open this. So this is Lotto Brasil Select OG, a super versatile black leather upper sneaker with that black suede toe guard on it. Again, a very beautiful football inspired sneaker from Lotto. It also has their logo on the side panel of it, and underneath that you get that gold leather panel which highlights that logo, and that looks very beautiful. You also get this Lotto branding on the tongue and on the back heel in black on the white heel basically, and that is interesting. And yes, this is an indoor football inspired sneaker, and I just love the silhouette. I just love how versatile this sneaker is. It has really good suede on it, and I am just very happy with it. And yet again, good in comfort, fits true to size, and priced at 4,999 rupees, but I got it for 4,828, something like that, basically under 5,000 rupees, and it is a great steal in my opinion. And yes, I have linked everything down below. You need to check it out. Now coming to the next sneaker from Lotto, and I just love the box. It is pretty beautiful, clean, that matte with shiny branding over it. It is just cool. So let's unbox this and let's see how this pair is. So basically this pair doesn't come in that extra dust bag and all of that, because I told you guys this is a GR pair I believe, and that is some premium pairs from them. So let's unwrap this and let me show you guys the pair. Let's go. So this is Lotto Strada Blend, a very lightweight canvas upper sneaker in this beautiful bright red colorway. So basically this is a full canvas upper sneaker with hints of red leather on the back heel. You also get that brand logo on the side panel of the sneaker. Then you have this rubber white sole on this pair which is a very contrasting color to it, and it looks great on this pair. This is a very lightweight sneaker, like just very lightweight compared to all of the sneakers on this list, and a super casual pair. You cannot dress this up, but you can just wear it casually to the college or something like that. Very normal, very easy to wear pair. And one thing I also liked on this pair is the contrasting white laces on this pair, because red laces on them would have been too gaudy, I believe. That is the reason they have put white lace, and that makes a great contrast on this. So again, fits true to size, and you can get this pair for way less compared to other sneakers. I got this sneaker for 3,299 rupees. That's it. A great price. So do let me know which one you liked the most on this list, and this one is my favorite definitely, and you should definitely check this pair out. And yes, do let me know which did you like. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Till then, peace.